Hello, Shanahan students. This short film demonstrates how in the Bronze Age, copper ore could have been smelted into copper metal using a hole in the ground. Copper was the first metal used by humans, and it is found in copper ore. Turning this copper ore into metal is called smelting. This experiment uses a type of copper ore called malachite, which was extensively mined in the Bronze Age. First, a small pit is dug into the ground. Then, a small groove is cut into the side of the pit to allow air from a set of leather bag bellows. The copper ore is then crushed on a stone anvil. It is crushed into a fine powder. Then, a fire is lit in the pit. Charcoal is added to the pit. And then the crushed ore is sprinkled onto the hot coals. Then more charcoal is added on top. The end of the bag bellows is placed in the groove, and a cap of turf is placed on top. Air is forced into the pit by the bellows. It increases the temperature inside the pit to create a simple furnace. This goes on for a couple of hours. Inside the pit, the carbon monoxide in the charcoal is reacting with the oxygen in the ore. This produces carbon dioxide and copper metal. It is this chemical reaction that changes the ore into copper. Once the flames start changing color, the copper metal can then be dug out of the pit. First, the turf cap is removed, and the copper metal is dug out of the pit. The copper metal will be a pinky yellow color. Then, the remains of the pit are checked for any smaller bits of copper using a simple panning technique. These small bits of copper can then be collected and melted down as well. And that's an ancient smelting technique.